Hello, everyone. Nadeem here with PC.Solutions.Net. Last Friday in Chat with Mac, the email that was sent out, the video that we created, a lot of people replied back that, well, how is this possible that you can avoid the huge licensing fees on some of these cloud-based ERP systems? And it's not an easy answer to that. We're not like getting around any legalities or anything. No, everything is above board. The reason why it's like that is because these manufacturers, developers of the ERP systems, they have to have the systems and the redundancies and the ease of controls all built into their service to cater to not just the small businesses, but the huge enterprises, 100, 200, 300 user enterprises. So their systems are geared for that. For a small 5 or 10 user company, they really don't need all the resiliency and the redundancy of a system that is going to be operational 24/7 with no downtime at all. I mean, we're talking about 5 nines of uptime. So for those companies who can't afford to pay the huge monthly fees for all these redundant systems, what we do is we build a server in the cloud, and then once we have that, we deploy the on-prem licenses on this server in the cloud. Now, the other question that comes in is, how come my consultant who implements this ERP system did not talk to me about this or did not know about this? So the reason is these are two different actually two very different lines of business. People who are on the ERP side of things, who are even software developers, don't know how to spin up VMs in the cloud. And people who are on the infrastructure side of things, they know how to spin up VMs in the cloud and they can do it within seconds or minutes, but they don't know the intricacies of all the licensing and software and the deployment and the support for these ERP systems. And that's where we come in. So we have expertise on both sides of the house. So we have the infrastructure guys, we have the software guys, and then we have the security guys. So it's actually a 3-prong approach. It's a triangle, really. And that's how we're able to get customers into a cloud-based ERP system at a fraction of a cost, as opposed to if they were going directly with the ERP system developer and going with their cloud plan. And that's the main difference. It's just like QuickBooks. Like you can go QuickBooks online, but it's a totally different product. If you have the need for desktop version of QuickBooks, we can still get you the desktop version of QuickBooks, but in the cloud. And I think that's where a lot of people have trouble with this. Well, if it's in the cloud, and it's the same on-prem system that you would run on your machine, except it's running in a machine in the cloud. So hopefully that makes a little more sense and it clarifies things. But I did get quite some feedback on the last video that we did, the last Chat with Mac. So everybody, until tomorrow, have a great day and be safe out there.